Like the video. Subscribe to this channel and try to find the hidden plumbob.
Man, I feel so bored. Why do I even have to do this stupid homework? Wait, what is that thing over there? I know. I wanna push this button.
Oh my god! It's safe very well! Walk. You do Georgia.
Alright kids. Today we will be reading, If You Give a Mouse a Cookie. Alright. Let me read for you.
Yay, I wanna hear it now.
Thomas. Just let me wait for a while, okay? Coming.
Man, I am so bored.
Teacher, why is the big man here?
Not right now, I'm just talking Liam.
I am so bored. I gotta go somewhere.
Teacher, he is going somewhere.
What? Oh my god, big baby Tom. Thomas. Where are you going?
I am bored. Because,
Thomas. You are not going outside the school until recess comes. So sit down or else you will get into detention.
but, I wanna go pee.
You can go pee later. Anyways, let's go tell a story. Okay. So as I was saying, let's talk about this book. And this is the story of If You Give a Mouse a Cookie. So, any questions? Yes, Liam?
Teacher, why did they give the mouse a cookie? What will happen?
I don't know, but you will see when you are older, maybe when you have your first science class, and this is when you find out.
Okay, teacher.
Oh. Would you look at that? It's almost recess. 5 more minutes. Yes, Thomas?
My stomach hurts, mommy.
Ugh. Don't call me mommy. I don't have a child yet. Maybe later, and also, can't you go to the bathroom since you are old enough?
No! I am not potty trained! I'm a baby! 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 I'm a baby!
Come on, Thomas. You are 23 years old and you can go to the bathroom. It's easy. Even a toddler can do it. Come on. Are you just plain stupid or something?
No! Cleanse my diaper! Cleanse my diaper! Or else I will open on you!
Damn. Why do you have to act like this? Look at Liam. He is 4 years old and he doesn't act like that. This proves you might have a low intelligence score.
I said no! No, I am going to poop!
You are disgusting, Thomas. Why do you have to fart in class? That's it, you are going to detention.
No! You can't put me here! I'm a baby! I'm a baby! I'm a baby! I'm a baby!
That is so enough. Go to detention or I will call the principal to suspend you. Go. You disgusting moron.
Welcome to detention. Since you are the only one, you will be sitting here and you will not do anything fun here.
Damn. I can't believe it. I am so bored. What should I do?
You will either do nothing or do some assignments. Yeah. The highest grade level is grade 5, you can do some grade 5 math. Since you look old and yes, it's easy.
I hate grade 5 math. It is too hard.
Yeah. It's either you are bored by doing nothing or just study grade 5 homework. That's it.
I don't want to study grade 5 homework.
Okay. Then you are pretty much illiterate. So sit there and do nothing, you lazy pig.
Mr. Matherson, please come to the office.
Okay. Coming.
I am going to pull the fire alarm. But how? I know. Since the principal is not here, I am gonna do it anyways. I don't even know where the hell is that damn one, but I'm sure curious about that touching button. Oh, there it is. HMN. I wonder what does this button do?
Do it.
Do it! Just do it! Oh, okay.
Attention everyone. This is a fire drill. Please remain calm and don't panic. You should all go to the emergency exit while being calm.
Okay, kids. Let's go and walk to the emergency exit. Huh. Where is Thomas? I really don't see him. Maybe he is absent.
I really don't know, Miss Martin. Where is the big boy, Miss Martin?
Shh. The announcement is here.
Attention everyone. It seems like the second fire alarm drill is false. It is reported that someone in the building has triggered it. The school hours will resume.
Oh. So it's false. I wonder who triggered the fire alarm at school.
We have identified the perpetrator of the school fire alarm. The person's name is Thomas New. He is a 23-year-old man in the preschool class. If you see this man in the school campus, it is advised to report this individual to the principal's office.
Thomas? What did you do when you were in detention?
I was taking a nap time.
Don't you dare lie in front of my face. What did you actually do? Tell me what the PA said.
I touched the fire alarm.
Oh my God, Tom. Why did you make this unacceptable behavior? You know you should not trigger that.
Because the button looks so nice, and tells me to do it.
I don't care. Go to the principal's office or I will force you to.
Tom. What you did here is wrong. You should not trigger the fire alarm. You know you should not do that. If there is a fire, you should do it. Are you stupid?
I agree with Mrs. Clementine. Why do you have to do this, young man? Because of that. I called your mother and she is gonna pick you up early. Oh my God. Why did you throw the chair?
Thomas. For throwing the chair. I will suspend you for the rest of the week. With that, you will go back home, you crazy idiot.
Tom. I just got a call from the principal. Why are you home so early?
I don't know.
What do you mean? I don't know. Tell me. The principal said something.
What I said was, I pulled the fire alarm, mommy.
You? What? Tom. I can't believe you pulled the fire alarm. You know you should not do that unless there is a real fire. That's it. You are grounded until your suspension is lifted.
But mommy, can I have a second chance?
Absolutely not. Now go to your room until your suspension is over. And think about what you have done. Ugh. When will he grow up?
If you enjoy this video, I'd like you to subscribe for more GoAnimate content. Thank you for watching this video.